We live in an age where it's exciting to be in education because there's a paradigm shift. No longer are students expected to just sit and open a book and work from a worksheet. We're expecting kids to do more hands-on activities, more collaboration, higher level critical thinking. And those opportunities allow them to build their own future.
STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Or you could say STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, and art, and mathematics.
Currently, with TechTrep, we have 3 grades with our younger students are working on foundations of programming. Our 7th graders are working on web development, and our 8th graders are on financial literacy.
When I thought of STEM, I always thought of robotics. Like, that was the first thing that came to my mind.
The skills that I'm learning are how to make my own little video games.
What I like about TechTrep is that the different sections that you have in each course.
I'm taking an introduction to technology.
I'm doing coding and I'm building a website.
Intro web development.
I feel like that I want to just start coding like games and stuff.
I'm developing my own website.
I love coding. I think it's cool.
Because it was affordable and because it was scalable, we were able to bring the program into the district and implement it at all grade levels.
I think my class has become more interesting. See more and more students are excited about coming to class. They ask about, we're doing TechTrep today.
I would never thought I would like to do stuff like that in STEM or like the stuff I'm doing in TechTrep.
I thought it was going to be like geology, but now since I really got into it, I really liked it. And I started putting effort into it.
What I'm learning about myself is that I push myself so I can succeed at what I'm trying to achieve.
There was a time when I was like, I don't know about this technology, but my students are the ones who fueled my excitement about it. And for me to be able to learn from my students, that gives them a lot of confidence.
Our mantra here is teamwork makes the dream work, and you hear the kids saying that they're not selfish in their learning. They want to share, and they want to show the others and help others as well.
From TechTrep in my financial literacy course, I have learned about goal setting,
how to save money and spend wisely.
And I just buy stuff that I don't need when I can save it for the future.
And you would see kids getting frustrated or they would tell you about it. But what I always appreciated, the kids, they had the perseverance to keep going and to keep working at it, and they didn't give up.
They are tenacious.
You learn from your own mistakes, so you can do it better.
If I mess up, I could try again until I get it right, and I have more effort in me.
What I'm liking about it is that everything that I imagine can come true, only if I put my brain to the use of it.
Things that they didn't know that they could do before, they're doing now.
STEM got a lot of things you can do based on your personality.
To get into STEM, it doesn't matter what's your race, your gender, if you're poor, you're rich. You just have to be open-minded. If you're not a fan of technology, just go to science. If you're not a fan of science, then go to mathematics. But for me, I like technology.
I learned that I can evolve and get better.
I didn't even know I was interested in this. So I never knew I was capable of doing stuff like this.
We weren't expecting that level of excitement, and that's what caught fire.
There's a lot of hidden talents.
The unrealistic has become realistic for them this is something that they can achieve.
When I grow up, I want to be a gamer.
I want to be a pediatrician.
I want to be a chef,
a mathematics teacher.
I plan on owning my own bakery.
Owning my own little business.
I want to be an OBGYN.
NFL player.
I really want to be a STEM teacher
and become the president.
If given the right opportunities and a chance, which is what TechTrep offers them, the sky is the limit for them for a 21st century career.